Yo, what is up, guys? It is Jonathan and Stefy Golden here. Stefy is all dressed up, ready to go. She is a certified almost got her cosmetology license, going through Blvd right now, but she's homeschooling and she's gonna cut this nice masterpiece I got going on here. It's just a little out of control, right?
Yeah.
I didn't know what I was gonna do. I wanted to do like the Ben from Ozark kind of look, the slick back, but
I feel like that's just not, it's not gonna look good because it's not like professional, you know?
I don't know.
For the type of work you do and stuff, I don't think it fits.
Yeah, it's quarantine, so I don't know how I'm gonna see my clients in the future, but I'm doing a lot of Zoom meetings now, so I gotta tidy up this mop a little bit. So we're gonna be doing a slick back look. So we're gonna skin fade the sides.
Not skin fade.
Just trim the sides to like a 1 or 2, and then yeah, cut the length in the back so I can like slick it back, and I'll do before and after. So this is the before. It's pretty long, right?
Yeah.
It's pretty long, guys. So, but the length, not too much.
Well,
and then
yeah, this is not gonna change much of the length. Like I am gonna trim it, but it's not gonna be like too much because you want it going back, right?
I trust you.
I don't know how your hair's gonna do that, but all right, let's go.
All right, let's get it. Time lapse. Oh my God, look at the transformation, babe. Do a little 360 for me. She did an amazing job.
Oh, let me flip so I can see. All right, here we go. It goes kind of like in a V at the back.
Ready to go clubbing 2021. All right, we're here. We're using the street cream, Johnny B street cream. It's kind of like a clay pudding. Show you guys. It's like and there's like no really shine to it. If you use like Johnny B, the mode one, the blue one, that kind of makes my hair black. So I like this one a little bit better for this hairstyle. And what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna shower right now, and then I'm gonna blow dry and then put the gel in so you guys can see the poof. Maybe I'll do it tomorrow morning.
Yeah.
Maybe I'll do it tomorrow morning so you guys can see it, because I don't want to sleep with this stuff in the hair. But what do you think? Comment down below. Give Stefy a thumbs up for helping me out. She did an amazing job. She specializes more for women, but she made an exception today for a man.
Men's cuts are hard.
Yeah?
Yeah.
Why?
It's just like the clippers and trying to get it all even and blending the top and, you know.
Yeah. And she wasn't supposed to, but she cut my beard for me, so saved me an extra like 10 minutes in the bathroom. So now I look decent. I was looking a little caveman kind of stuff.
You were.
Well, you can't really go out, so save time and just let it grow. And I feel good. I feel like, what, 5 years gone?
Yeah, babe, you look way better.
Yeah?
Like, with short hair.
Yeah.
Yeah.
I was trying the...
You're looking a little too rough.
Yeah, I was a little rough around the edges. I was trying the Ben Davis look. I was gonna grow it out, like, and do the whole slick back, but...
And we're trying to get this all kind of more even so we can, like, cut it better, because the way that Jonathan's hair used to get styled
was like to the right
side.
Yeah.
So this was already kind of short and this was longer, so I don't want to cut too much on this side. Since he also used to part it this way, his hair is used to going that way. So yeah, we gotta just train the hair and make sure it just starts going back.
Yeah, I like it. I like the slick back look. I mean, the part is cool, but I wanted to change. So not much of a change. It just, you know, instead of going that way, it's going straight. Good job. Good job. How much do I owe you?
Oh yeah, vacuum.
Free, a couple kisses, and then we'll call it even. Look at all that. All that was me. All that. Stefy woke up on the wrong side of the bed today. Alright, so guys, Stefy did an amazing job with my haircut, but this morning I slept on it. We're gonna stylize it today.
Stylize it.
Stylize it today, baby. I don't know what's going on with this pizza. So, yeah, we're gonna do a slick back. We're gonna wet it, right? And then blow dry it, and then get a little poof, right? Yeah, I usually use Johnny Mode, this one, for like a hard gel, but it gives us like a shot.
a little bit.
Maybe.
I might mix a little bit of that with the.
But like as you can see, my hair color is not black, and that like makes my hair color black. So I'm gonna use the Johnny B Street Cream, which is more like of a pomade kind of type deal. So Steffi, let's do it. The volume has hit the ceiling, baby. Woo! Look at this. Ah. All right, jump me up here.
So I'm actually gonna use a little bit of both because this one is like too thick. So you just want you want to just mix it up a little bit. You're
gonna mix it, huh? Is that legal? Yeah. Okay.
You need to sit. I can't.
Okay. Well, I'm too tall. Let's sit.
We gotta get this down. Jonathan's hair goes to the side naturally, so we gotta train it right here.
Train that thing.
To go to the back.
Okay, so now here's what it looks like, and now we're gonna just spray to hold because it is a little bouncy. What do you think, guys? Too much volume?
I think so. I like your hair though, the way that you used it.
I like the big poof. I like the big poof. So there you have it, Steffi. Thank you.
You're welcome.
She used all these different things here. But yeah, witch hazel hairspray. I usually use the Big Sexy, but I'm out of the Big Sexy. I think it looks good. What do you think, guys? Comment down below what you think. Give us a thumbs up. And this is kind of how you do a slick back haircut and style.
Kind of. It's Jonathan, your hair is designed to go that way. If you see, it even has a
little wave.
Yeah.
That's good. That's cool. I like it. I like it big. I like to change it up a little bit. So be sure to subscribe to Steffi and Jonathan Golden. We have some videos coming up. Quarantine. We're stuck in the house, so we're just doing as much as we can. And Steffi just left without saying goodbye.
All right. Bye, guys.
All right, the Goldens are out. Have a good day. See you on the next one.